If you typed ProNail Complex reviews, you might be struggling with brittle nails, unsightly fungal infections, or nails that just won't grow healthy no matter what you try. I know exactly how frustrating it can feel when you want strong, beautiful nails, but every product seems to fall short. Let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Lauren, and today I'm going to share my real experience with ProNail Complex. If you've been battling nail fungus or weak nails for months or even years, stick with me because what I'm about to share could finally help your nails look healthy and strong again. I spent years dealing with nail problems. No matter what I tried, the fungus kept coming back. My nails were brittle, discolored, and painful at times. Simple things like wearing open-toed shoes or showing my hands in photos became stressful. If this sounds familiar, I understand exactly what you're going through. Everything changed when I discovered ProNail Complex. What caught my attention is that it's 100% natural and specifically formulated to target the root cause of weak nails and fungal infections. The formula combines powerful ingredients that make sense for anyone who wants healthy nails: almond oil, organic flaxseed oil, tea tree oil, aloe vera, vitamin E, jojoba oil, cinnamon oil, clove oil, camphor, lavender oil, lemongrass oil, menthol, and undecylenic acid. This combination works to fight fungal infections, hydrate and strengthen nails, and improve overall nail appearance over time. And I wasn't worried about trying it because ProNail Complex is made in FDA-registered facilities with GMP certification and a natural chemical-free formula, giving me confidence in the product's safety. Does it actually work? Yes. Within a few weeks, I noticed my nails looking stronger, less brittle, and the fungus starting to fade. With consistent daily use, my nails began to grow healthier, and I could finally wear open-toed shoes and feel confident showing my hands. How long until you notice results? Some people see changes in the first few weeks, but for the best results, a consistent 3 to 6 month routine is recommended to fully restore nail health and prevent the fungus from returning. One moment that really stood out to me was when a family member complimented my nails. They said my nails looked healthier, stronger, and even my hands seemed more youthful. That was the moment I realized that ProNail Complex was really working. If you decide to try it, I recommend securing 3 to 6 bottles to maintain consistency. This 90 to 180 day window is what truly allows your nails to heal and strengthen continuously. ProNail Complex also comes with a satisfaction guarantee, so if you don't see results or aren't satisfied for any reason, you can request your money back hassle-free. This gave me even more confidence to try the product. I want to be clear, I wasn't paid to make this video and I don't usually share this kind of content, but I felt compelled because I know how much of a difference healthy nails can make in someone's confidence and daily life. I also have 2 important alerts, so please pay close attention. ProNail Complex is not sold on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. These sellers do not have a license to sell the product, and you risk getting a counterfeit version. Buy only from the official website. It's only sold on the official manufacturer's website. For your safety, purchase directly from the source. To help you, I've left the link to the official website in the description below. I truly hope this video helps you and that ProNail Complex can improve your nail health as it did for me and thousands of others. When you start your treatment, come back and leave a comment sharing your experience. Your story might be exactly the encouragement someone else needs to take action.